Namaste everyone. Here I am going to explain about circle graph or pie chart. What is a circle graph or what is a pie chart? A circle graph is a relationship between a whole and its parts in which a circle is divided into different sectors which are proportional to the information it represents. Here we have to draw a circle. First of all, after that this circle will be divided into different sectors and given with help of given information it will be shaded. Question runs like this: the number of trees of different fruits in an orchard are given below in percentage. Draw a pie chart for the data. Information is given in percentage. Tree. Name of different types of trees are mango trees, pear trees, guava trees and papaya trees. And their numbers are given like this. In these trees are in an orchard. Mango trees, its number is 50%. 20% pear, and so on. First of all, we have to change it into fraction, as its sum will be sum or total will be 0. This is 100, or percent means out of 100. Even 50% means 50 out of 100. Fraction, its fraction will be like this. 50% means 50 by 100. When we simplify it, then fraction will be 1 by 2. 20% means 20 by 100. When we simplify it, then we have 25, that is 1 by 5. 25 is 100, 50, 2 is 100. 20%, that is again 20 by 100. This is again 1 by 5. 20, 5 is 100, and this one is 10%. 10 by 100. 10% means 10 out of 100. Finally, it will be 1 by 10. This is fractional part. Now we have to convert these fractions into sector angles. Sector angle. For this, sector angle will be in a circle. At center there is a complete angle, and measurement of a complete angle is 360 degree, and this angle 360 degree will be divided into different parts whose fractions are given here. 1 by 2 of 360 degree. This is 180 degree. This part will be 180 degree. 1 by 5 of 360 degree. 5, 7 ja 35, 102, 5, 2 ja 10. This is 72 degree. Similarly, 1 by 5 of means multiplication. We can solve it like this: 5, 7 ja 35, 10, 5, 2 ja 72 degree. 1 by 10, 1 by 10 into 360 degree. This 0 will be cancelled. Now we have 36 degree, and its sum will give angle at center, total angle we can find its sum. This will be 360 degree. This one is 10, 1, 26, 6, 2 plus 1, that is 3. This is central angle, that is circle, center of a circle. This is 360 degree. This angle is divided into different parts, which are sector angle for the given information, for the given number of trees. Now we have to draw circle graph or pie chart. For this, sector angle is 180 degree. For this, 72 degree. For this, again 72 degree. And for papaya trees, 36 degree. With the help of these angles, we can draw a circle graph or a pie chart. (180 degree). To represent 180 degree, we have to draw a diameter. As a diameter divides a circle into two equal parts. Suppose here will be center. Suppose this is center. Here one complete angle will be formed, that is 360 degree, out of which this is 180 degree. We can use to draw this angle protractor. Protractor can be used here, and this is for mango tree. Its sector angle or central angle is 180 degree. Now 36 degree for papaya tree. 36 degree. With help of protractor, we can draw here an angle of 36 degree like this. This is papaya tree. This is center. Suppose this will be O. Now 72 degree. 72 degree. This part will be divided into two equal parts like this. This is 72 degree. Again this will be 72 degree. Pear trees and guava trees. Guava trees. This is pie chart or circle graph for the given information. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.